Okay, loves, we are here at Dollar Tree and we're going in looking for succulents. Let's hope we get some luck here because this is the third store I've gone to today. Hey loves, it's Lacey and I just came out of the Dollar Tree and you will not believe the luck I had. I bought so many succulents, it's a little ridiculous, but I will show you guys when I get home. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. It is all succulents and I have to start by saying I did not purchase all of these succulents. Some of them were gifted to me and some of them, a few of them I already have because I have quite a few. And also if you are new to my channel, you should know that our Dollar Trees never get in the stuff that everyone else is hauling on YouTube right away. Like it's usually a month or so before we get in the items that everybody else has. So when people around here were saying they saw succulents in our Dollar Tree, me and my sister ran out in like one whole day for like probably 4 hours. She was in her area, which is about 30 minutes for me, and I was in my area, and we went to every dollar store around us looking for these succulents and we could not find them. It was driving us crazy. And then finally the next day, I think it was, I ran into a store and they had them, especially the picks, not the ones in the pot. And then my mom gave me some and a couple of friends of mine helped me out and got some at their stores that were further away from where I am. So all in all, I think between my sister, myself, my mom, and my friends, we hit about 20 different Dollar Trees. It's ridiculous. So without further ado, I'm going to show you all the succulents I finally ended up with. And let me just tell you, it's 78 of them altogether. It was 80, but my sister took 2 of them. So I have 78 succulents in pots and picks. And I know it sounds ridiculous like I'm a hoarder, but I have projects to make with all of these. I think when I'm done with all my projects, I might have like 4 left. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so here are all the succulents. I have them lined up across my living room floor. And yes, I know this makes me look like a hoarder, but I promise you I did not buy them all. I was gifted some from a girlfriend because my birthday is coming up next week, and so she said, here is your birthday present. You don't owe me any money. And my mother got some for me, and I purchased some, and some I did have left over from last year, a couple of potted ones and a couple of picks that I found in my fairy garden stash. So yeah, it is a lot, but I promise you I have projects for pretty much all of them. 2 of them are actually going to my sister. She needed a couple also. So here, let's just look at them all quickly. This is the lamb's wool ones. I really like the white kind of with a little bit of red, a little bit of green in it. I think it gives it a nice soft look to it when you put them in wreaths. I love these red ones, the pop of color with a little black on the end. They are just so different. I have never seen succulents like this in real life, so I don't know what they are called. I love these little spiky ones here. They give some height and some different dimension. I only have one of these with the little things coming out the top. They're not my favorite, and I had it left over from last year that I didn't use. Then I absolutely love these. They are so full, and they also have a little bit of height. My favorite ones have to be the purple ones in the pot because purple is my favorite color. I used those a lot last year. My girlfriend gave me the red ones. I don't normally get these red ones in the pots. They're a little hard, and I normally don't pick those up, but she gave those to me. She also gave me the ones here on the end. They are kind of like a little iris leaf looking one, and I think they're nice. The green just looks a little bit not real to me, so I normally don't pick those up. But then all of these here, my mother gave me, except for like 1 or 2 of these in the pots. And then most of the ones back there are different. Oh, and there's Dozer. Hold on. Sorry about that. Dozer snuck into the shot. He always has to bring his toys to show me what he has. So these here came from our Dollar Trees, and these are different than the ones that they had last year or the ones that I found at all the other Dollar Trees this year. So these are all brand new to me. I picked up one for my sister in the green in the back there, and then another friend ended up actually gifting me these two. And then I found these two deep green ones, and my mother gave me those two and all of these light ones right here. She also picked up these two here for me, these picks, and all of these picks here. I had some of those last year and some of these, but my mother gave me some more. And then some of these picks. And then lastly, we have these spiky ones, which I love. I had these last year and I picked those up. So altogether, I bought 24, and I was either gifted by my mother or my girlfriend some, and then one other girlfriend bought me 10 because they knew that I was looking for them and I could not find them anywhere. So altogether, like I said, I have 80, well, 78. So that is it for this succulent haul. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. I know this was a strange little haul, but I wanted you to see all the succulents that I had before I started the projects. And if you're looking for them, these are all the variations that we found this year. If you see them and you want to do this, make sure that you pick them up because they go really fast. Especially if you're in Michigan, they might be hard to find because all of my friends and family bought them all up for me. Also, if you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not a member of Lacee Space here yet, I don't know why not. As you can see, we get a little crazy and have a lot of fun here. I have 4 succulent projects coming up for you guys. One of them is a repeat. It is a heart-shaped wreath. It's like the wreath that's at the beginning of all of my videos, and so I will be doing that one coming up here shortly. But I have another project that I just came up with today, so that will be coming out first on Monday. It is a collab, a challenge, I do believe, that my sister is hosting. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. And also go over and check out her channel. It's hosted by Chrissy, to check out all the participants that are going to be in that challenge. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.